Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken Manchurian, Pakistani style, from the north of Pakistan. First, you need some chicken, some corn flour. Over here I have a mix of half corn flour and cornstarch for the batter, or for the dry batter, and a stainless steel bowl so that you can mix some spices or flavorings of your choice, including hot sauce for a buffalo style Manchurian. Okay, so we've got the chicken cut up into thin strips. If it's too thick a breast, just slice it down the middle and butterfly it open so that you get consistent slices. We've got an onion, fresh black pepper, the green version. There's also a red version and a white version. This is the green version. Now, this is fresh black pepper. We have some garlic, we have some ginger and chilies, dry corn flour and cornstarch, and we have our chicken. We're gonna dunk the chicken in this solution of lemon juice, black pepper, and salt. The oil looks hot enough to fry in. Okay, so when you have the chicken all fried up like that, crispy on the outside, then in a pan, in a pot, you stir fry some ginger, garlic, black pepper when it's green, and throw in some green peppers and onions diced up. Add your soy sauce. Add some ketchup. Mix well. A little bit of vinegar. I'm going to use grape vinegar, but you use whatever vinegar you want. Throw that in there. Throw in your water. Throw in some more. Throw in your fresh green chilies so that we didn't add them before because we didn't want them to fry away. Once you have enough gravy to your liking, you add your corn flour mixed with water. I just mixed up the corn flour and cornstarch with some water that we had left over from the chicken. So here goes nothing. So here it goes. Add tomatoes if you want, but really, add tomatoes if you want, but you don't have to. Alrighty. Okay, it's salty enough, it's thick enough, it's time to throw the chicken in. Carefully, try not to drop anything. And now just turn off the gas or the electricity, whatever you're using. And just turn off the gas. And there you have it, chicken Manchurian, Pakistani style. Enjoy with rice. After you've turned the gas off, squeeze in some lemon. And mix well. Once it's mixed, your Manchurian is ready. Serve with rice. Serve on rice or noodles. And there you have it, guys. Pakistani style chicken Manchurian with rice. Enjoy.